I'm so excited. I've been thinking about this for a really long time. I've been thinking through, what do I want to share at the holidays? What would be so special that you guys would just really love and that we could just connect in this really beautiful way? And so as I debated through the whole thing, I thought, gosh, Paris is beautiful at Christmas time. It's the city of lights, it twinkles, and it's glorious. And Germany's known for all those wonderful Christmas markets. But if there's anywhere that I want to go at the holidays, there's no doubt in my mind it's Scandinavia. There's just something so special about Scandinavia at Christmas. It's partly because it's dark and it's cozy. I mean, these people just know what they're doing with the cozy factor at the holidays. And that's what I want to be able to share with you. 25 days, one video starting from today all the way through to the end. We're going to be sharing our favorite tips, tricks, our recipes, fashion ideas. I'm so excited. I hope that you will enjoy this as much as we've enjoyed putting it together for you. Today, our very first day, you're gonna love this. It is the simplest idea. You literally need 3 supplies. You need a candle, a Sharpie, and something to put the candle in. I know, you can totally do this. And then the rest is a matter of personal taste and how you want to dress it up. But even that, we forged from our own yard. So I know you're gonna love this idea. Let me show you how easy it is to put together. Okay, so the supplies that you're gonna need today are a Sharpie and a candle. And the reason that we're doing this is because this is one of the most magical traditions in Scandinavia. When we lived there, actually for 6 years, we remember like the very first Christmas, all of a sudden these candles started appearing in grocery stores, all the design shops. Then we saw them in windows. We saw them at our friends. They had them at the dinner table, and we were just like, what is this candle? It's got numbers all the way down it. And our friends were like, oh my gosh, this is the coolest tradition. The idea has originated from the 1700s. This is not a new idea, and I love that this tradition is something that we get to partake in. But you're literally counting down the days. Isn't that so cool? It's an Advent candle, and you start from 1, go all the way down to 24 if you're European, or if you're like us, we always count down to 25, so we always have that 25th day. But they don't sell these everywhere in America, and I just feel like we should all be able to be Scandinavian wherever we are. These are traditions that we should all get to enjoy, and so that's what we're doing today. We're gonna take the Sharpie and mark 1 through 25, and then what you do is you light it every day starting on December 1st, and you're counting down. You just burn it just a little bit, maybe at dinner time, or if you like to read at night, maybe if you have kids, or if you're younger and maybe you're just hanging out with your friends. This is such a fun tradition, and it's so easy to do. You're gonna love this. Maybe by next year, we'll make sure to have them in the shop, and I will add some links if you don't want to do the DIY yourself, where you can find them. There are a few places in America where you can get them, but I know all my Scandinavian friends are like, oh, those are everywhere. I know, but we're not there, so. Instead, we're gonna do ours with a Sharpie, and it's gonna be awesome, and you guys are gonna love how easy this is and how amazing this tradition is gonna be. If you wanna take your Advent candle up a notch, go out into your yard and even out into a local park and just gather some things from nature. I just place them down on a plate and then put the candle on there and then just add them all around. And it's so simple, but it just has a really cozy impact, and it will definitely make this extra special. Thank you so much for joining us today. We hope that you will enjoy this project, that you'll make it for yourself. And if you decide to do that, we've got our hashtag Cozy Holiday 2018. We hope you'll tag your photos so that we can find your photos, and then we can all see what everybody did with this idea. Also, make sure you hashtag them House of Valentina, because we have a community of people that are always looking for that hashtag, and that way we can build more community, find each other, and enjoy getting all these great ideas from one another. Don't forget to join us at houseofvalentina.com. We have tons of more ideas, all kinds of DIYs, guides if you're shopping for the holidays, and loads more decor ideas. And of course, don't forget, hit subscribe, like the video, and leave us a comment, because we love hearing from you. We're so excited to be sharing these 25 days of Christmas, and we don't want you to miss out on any of them. So we will see you guys soon. Bye.